I'm here at World Video Bible School to tell you about a great new product that you and your congregation can use to edify, teach, and evangelize. Since 2006, WVBS has been sending out great teaching programs on DVD. Since 1987, WVBS has sent out over 3 million DVDs and videotapes. But now, as the DVD industry is rapidly going away worldwide, video producers are moving away from DVD products. Although DVDs may be with us for a few years to come, their availability will become much less. As a new way of providing video programming, WVBS has begun providing materials on hard drives. The hard drives are rugged, military grade, which are somewhat shockproof and waterproof. These hard drives are 4 inches by 5 inches and weigh only 14 ounces. These hard drives have multi-terabyte storage capacity and come with a cable and are USB 3.0. These 3 hard drives contain all available WVBS materials. This hard drive comes loaded with all of the online Bible school courses. There are 52 programs that contain over 1,000 lessons. This hard drive is equivalent to 330 DVDs. These DVDs, including shipping, would be valued at about $4,000. These 2 hard drives are loaded with WVBS's topical programming. Topical Hard Drive A has most all of the WVBS programs made prior to 2017. Topical Hard Drive B is loaded with programs produced after 2017. Hard drives A and B combined have over 180 programs containing over 1,425 lessons. These 2 hard drives are equivalent to over 475 DVDs. Upon request, WVBS can include additional content in American Sign Language, Spanish, Chinese, Kiswahili, and in some Indian languages. Who would benefit from the use of these hard drives? Well, people or churches who do not have access to the internet, have slow speeds, or cannot afford the data needed. These hard drives are great for churches or schools or mission field work all over the world. The programming can be copied onto USB flash drives, laptops, and other smart devices to share with other preachers or brethren for use in their evangelism and teaching efforts. The only restriction for these hard drives is the programming should not be uploaded to the internet because WVBS keeps them available free online at all times. They are easy to use and be connected to computers, some smart TVs, as well as some projectors. These hard drives are available with free shipping within the United States only. WVBS recommends these to be hand-carried into the locations outside the U.S. to avoid local customs charging exorbitant taxes and fees far exceeding their actual cost. As you have seen, these hard drives are a convenient way and an efficient way to provide great teaching materials anywhere in the world. If you have any questions regarding this product, please feel free to call us or email us at WVBS.